Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Atsika Sonerustin, NIM G06125106. May peace be upon us all. Honorable teachers, respected parents, and all distinguished guests. Today, allow me to deliver an important message, one that does not only touch the world of academic but also our future as a nation. That message is about the importance of education. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in an era where change happens incredibly fast. Technology evolves every single day. Job competition becomes increasingly tight, and global challenges grow more complex. Amid all this rapid development, one thing remains enchanted: education is the foundation of civilization and progress. Education is not merely about attending class, taking notes, or completing assignment. Education is a process of shaping oneself, training the mind, building character, expanding perspective, and preparing the ability to face life's challenges. Through education, one learns to analyze, to question, to innovate, and to continuously improve. Imagine a nation without strong education. Such a nation will fall behind, grow weak, and lose its global competitiveness. Now imagine a nation that makes education its priority. That nation will produce excellent, creative, critical, and morally upright generation. That is the nation we dream. That is nation we hope to build. Therefore, youth, all of us, especially the younger generation, not to the see education is a burden. The not true is a meaningful routine. Education is an investment not only for your future care, but for building your identity. Every moment you dedicate to learning, every challenge you overcome becomes a valuable asset that will shape your future. To our student, success does not come instantly. Not great person was born without struggle. Education requires consistently, courageously, and the willingness to grow. The world does not only need intelligent people, but people who are working this disciplined, honest, adaptable, and these qualities grow through education. However, education does not only take place at school. It also happens at home, in the environment, and through every life experience. Parents play an extraordinary role in giving guidance. Teachers have more and professional responsibility to nurture society, to plays a vital part in creating a supportive learning environment. Therefore, it invite other members of society to work together. Let us build a positive learning culture. Let us appreciate teachers who dedicate themselves to shaping the future generation. Let us support our children so they develop in enthusiasm to learn, not just for grades, for a bright future. Ladies and gentlemen, no nation has even progressed without strong education. South Korea rose from war through advancement in education. Japan rebuilt itself after exclusion through discipline and innovation rooted in education. Even smaller countries like Finland and Singapore transformed into global leaders because of their of commitment to education. Indonesia has great potential. We have young generation who are creative, energetic, and full of spirit. For potential alone is not enough. It must be a growth through education. That is why we must make education a shared priority. Let us begin with ourselves by studying hard, supporting our school, respecting our teacher, and using opportunity to benefit ourselves. This is good. Education is not about success. The fact that education is a lifelong journey that accompanies us throughout our lives. Every piece of knowledge we gain becomes a light that quit out path, and we the entire generation like that plan Indonesia will rise as a strong, dignified, and respect nation. Let's include I invite all of us to make education a part of change. Start today, not tomorrow. Make learning a habit, not a obligation. Make knowledge a necessity, not a burden, and make education the bridge toward a better future. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.